The first quarter of the financial 2024-2025, our vote is vote 3. We received 75,571,000,000, which is 59% of the total revised budget of 128,860,000,000 shillings, with an absorption of 78% as of the 31st of December 2024. The vote received additional resources of 21,072,000,000, which was as follows: 8,437,000,000 from the contingent fund, of which 5 billion was for procurement of relief food to respond to disasters across the country, and 3,437,000,000 was response to Chite's landfill, the disaster that befell us. We also received a supplemental of 17,035,000,000 shillings, and of which 2,400,000,000 was implementation of the Executive Order number 3, that is to do with Northern Uganda, the issue of the Balalo in Northern Uganda. Also, we received 2 billion shillings for hosting the African Regional Forum on Sustainable Development Goals, and we received 12,635,000,000 for Dr. Deep. Dr. Deep is development response to displacement impacts projects. We shall explain this as we go on.
Chair, as you may be aware, we have shared the costs, and these shared costs are not included in the budget that we are going to present. First of all, in terms of aligning our planned outputs to NDP4, Chair, we start by aligning it to the program we contribute to directly. Since we contribute to 4 programs, we align our planned outputs to the 4 programs, and the framework that is responsible for aligning is what we call the PIAP, the Program Implementation Action Plan. So starting with development plan implementation with our mandate, we are aligned to the following result area of NDP4. We start with the NDP4 Objective 5.
I have a question about inadequate refugee funding. Increasing the number of refugees in the country, what initiative does the Office of Prime Minister plan have in order to ensure that funding is available to cater for the well-being of these refugees? For example, even you find in Uganda when we have landslide, it takes us good time to resettlement these people, and now the number of refugees is increasing.
Scrutiny, I realized that you passed most of the benchmarks that is in compliance to the Public Finance Management Act requirements. You passed all of them. The audit was done, except one, which is also negligible. It's not applicable actually, but the rest you did. And for me, I want to thank you. Can we now quickly go, Right Honourable Minister, through the...
We are so grateful for the feedback on Dr. Dito and Lusa 4. We have been praying for this, so we thank you for all the efforts you have. The people of Adjumani made a request for assessment of Arinya P specifically at Elegu Bridge. I hope the staff are here. They made the district right, communicated to the district, but up to now assessment has not been done. And rain has begun. Soon people are going to lose their lives and property. So